Hello, David here, and the project for today is changing the water filter on my whole house water filter. Even though this is called the whole house water filter, it's not filtering all the water coming into the house. It's just filtering the water that's coming up from the main water supply into the cold water on the kitchen sink, because that's where I get my drinking water. I mean, you could put that filter anywhere you wanted. I just wanted to put it just on the cold water. That's all I needed. This is the filter I'm using. It's a Pollenex Model FWP37. I don't know what filter I use because I put that on over 20 years ago, and I don't think the filter is a Pollenex. I don't know who the manufacturer is, but I just know that this filter is supposed to fit. And to give you a little bit of background, this house was built in 1954 with galvanized water pipe, galvanized iron water pipe, that is. And after a while, the water flow got low, water pressure was low, and I used to go into the nipples and poke it with a screwdriver to get the rust out, and that would work for a while. It got to a point where I had no water flow at all, and it was deep down into all the plumbing, and I had to have the house totally replumbed. They used some plastic tubing. I think they called it Pamex or Ptex or Pamamama, I don't know, something like that. Anyway, the plumber said, do you want me to take this filter out? You're not going to need it anymore. And I said, no, keep it there. And he said, okay, I'll do it, but you're not going to need it. Let's go below and take a look at it. So this is what that filter looks like that I don't need, compared to a new one. Pretty filthy, huh? That's why I think you guys need a water filter in your house. By the way, the name of this pipe is PEX, P-E-X. So what we want to do is shut off all the water, shut off the cold and the hot, because I don't know if the hot's going to recirculate back towards the cold. Get a pan and a lot of rags to catch the water. Go up to the faucet, open it to make sure everything's shut off and any residual water is bled out. Okay, we want to twist this housing off counterclockwise. I got a wrench that came with this that fits a nut shape fitting on the bottom of the wrench, on the bottom of the filter. If you don't have something like that, you're going to need a strap wrench. And I did confirm that the water's not flowing out of the faucet. Yeah, that thing's on tight. So this is a Pollenex PureWater 99. Before you reassemble, check your O-ring. Make sure it's not torn or worn out. This has got a little lubricant on it. I think I used silicone. You can't use oil because it'll eat up the O-ring. Here's the old filter compared to the new one. Okay, let's slap in the new one. There's a little nib on the bottom where the center of the filter goes. Yeah, let's turn on the water and check for leaks. Run the water for about 5 minutes to let it run the filter through any gunk that might be in there. See, it looks kind of foamy. If you have a water filter, you ought to check it to see if it needs to be replaced. If you don't have one, I suggest getting one. As you can see, it traps everything. Water's running clear now. I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.